And in Marikina, the management of Loyola Memorial Park says the number of visitors this year is lower compared to last year's crowd. To give us the latest situation in that area, here is Camille Abadicio's report.
Rowana, the management has recorded a drop in the number of visitors here at the Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina. If last year the crowd reached about 18,000 people, today they have only recorded 5,000 to 8,000 people who took time to visit their loved ones here on All Saints' Day. Duque family has been literally camping out here in Loyola since yesterday morning. The Duque family is perhaps the most prepared among all the groups that we have seen here at the Loyola Memorial Park. They even set up this camping tent for the children and of course this solar panel. This is a 300-watt solar panel that can provide electricity for their electric fan and even for a television, and for them to be able to charge their electronic gadgets here at the cemetery for their whole stay. Aside from this, they also brought along some beds, tables, chairs, electric fan, and a lot of food. According to the creator of the solar panel, Mr. Rod Duque, his family does this traditionally every year to pay homage to their dead loved ones.
Every November 1st, nandito kami lahat ng family namin, yung mga relatives namin.
According to the park superintendent Susan De La Paz, the number of visitors this year is much lower compared to last year's crowd of 18,000 people. The management says this is most likely because of the non-declaration of November 2 as a holiday. There are over 40,000 graves in the 36,000-hectare memorial park. Management says the observance of All Saints' Day in Loyola is generally peaceful so far. A total of 36 augmentation security personnel and 28 additional traffic personnel have been deployed to ensure the peace and order at the park. Some government sectors, such as the PNP, MMDA, and CMO, have also sent additional manpower to ensure security in the area. So far, the main challenge is still the traffic flow in the cemetery, as a lot of visitors who brought their private vehicles are double parking and the volume of the vehicles continue to build up. The management reminds the public that they are capable of towing illegally parked vehicles. Rowana, the traffic situation around here is getting busier by the minute. Let me give you a live shot of the entrance here at the Loyola Memorial Park. As you can see, the traffic is building up. This is the main gate, the gate 2 of Loyola. The traffic is getting heavier. And of course, the management has expected this surge of visitors tonight. And so they are advising those who are still planning to come here to just commute or just walk going here. The same situation can be observed on the crowd going in and out of the cemetery, especially those who are pouring in. We are seeing more people, and according to the management of the Memorial Park, they're expecting about 3,000 to 5,000 more people to come in tonight, and most of them are expected to stay up until tomorrow. After all, it's November 2, and they are still going to celebrate with their loved ones for the All Souls Day. Back to you, Rowana.
Thanks, Camille. That was Camille Abadicio reporting live from Marikina.